Guys, so today we're going to be installing 4 speakers on the 4 doors on a Jeep. So it's going to be quick and easy. We're going to put scars, something nice to play. So let's get to it. Once we got the panel out, it's really easy. It has a few clips, and then the door, the latch, and then this one is just clips on. Some of them have bolts, but then once we got the speaker out, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make speaker rings so it could fit the speakers you have and it could fit to the door exactly. So see you in a bit. So I've made a speaker ring adapter. That's how it looks. So basically what I did, I got the original speaker and I flush trimmed it with the flush trim bit on the outside, and then I grabbed the template and then I cut out the middle, so now it fits the 6.5, and it stays in the OEM place. So I'm gonna install the speakers now on that.
Strap is positive.